Hey guys, it's Lisa Marie with Stamp with Lisa Marie, and I'm doing something different today. I am in my car because Alyssa has 2 hours of therapy today, and it's every week like this, and so it's kind of a long time to be sitting here doing nothing, so I thought I would just hang out with you guys. The plan was Facebook Live, but I've got to go on a hunt for better Wi-Fi connection because I'm not getting anything where I was, so I tried. So if any of you saw me, that was me trying to make it work, but it just wasn't happening. And I dropped my sample on the floor, so let me grab it. Sorry, sticking my big old head in your way. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make this cute little holder. Oh, can you see it with the sun is shining on it? There it is. The people next to me in the other car must think that I'm completely crazy. It says Sent with Love, and it holds 2 Ghirardellis. Super cute. Who doesn't want chocolate, right? So, and it's using the cute little designer series paper from the Occasions catalog and the ribbon, and Sent with Love, I think it's Itty Bitty Greetings, I think is the set. I think I have it in my bag. And then the little heart, I don't know if you could see it, but he's that lovely lipstick foil. And I just stuck a little rhinestone on it, well, because, you know, a little bit of bling is always good. So I'm gonna flip the camera down and you guys can, hopefully I can make this work. I didn't even practice, we're just winging it today. So we're gonna come down like that. And so I have my 5x5 piece of lovely lipstick and my envelope punch board. And I am going to score at 2. I'm gonna get these numbers right yet. So at 2, I punch and then I score. Oops, I totally missed that score line, didn't I? What in the world? There it is. Found it. At 2 and at 3 on the same side, which is different than what, you know, like when you do an envelope, you only do that on one side. So that's what you have so far. So then you're going to turn it, and now you can just line it up with what you have there. Oops, sorry. Punch and score. Oops, I'm going to do it again on this line. Oof. It's kind of hard because I don't have a sturdy surface underneath of me to do that part, so I'm thinking I need one of those handy dandy computer lap boards. I think it'll give me a little bit more stability. Because you know, I donated like 3 of those to Goodwill last year when I cleaned out the garage. That's what happens, right? So I turned it again and I am punching and scoring. And there it is. The sun keeps hitting it funny, so every once in a while I don't see exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. So there we have that, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and turn my punch board around. Look at all those cute little pieces. They're gonna be all over my car. Let me get rid of those before I chunk them on the floor. So now I'm going to corner round. See how it made it nice and round? And we're gonna do this one, and this one, last one, like that. That guy, I think we're done. Oh no, we're gonna score this guy, but on the paper trimmer, so we'll get rid of that. And we are going to go ahead and grab a bone folder, like that, and fold this guy in like that. I'm gonna do this on all 4 sides. So this was just a 5x5 piece of cardstock, so that's a decent size, and you can get 2 out of a sheet. There we go. Yep, I think I'll be stopping at Walmart and getting me a lap board so that we have a little more stability and you have a darker background, because I think the sun is reflecting on this guy too. So there we go. I got those guys all scored like that. Now let me grab, let's stick that guy up there so I can find him later when I need him again. I need some scissors in my little tool bag here. So I'm going to take, on this guy, I need to cut just up to the score line on these 2. Just like that, because those are going to become what kind of holds the bottom when it comes together. Oops, let me get him. It's going to hold it together there. And when I turn it around opposite of those, you know, we're just going to cut these guys out completely because we don't need them. Just like that. So it's going to end up coming together like that. Cute, right? So we're going to grab, maybe, there should be some glue dots in here. I am using my cool, it's the craft and carry tote that you guys can get when you purchase a starter kit right now during celebration. I'll show it to you when we're all done because you can kind of see it, it's over there. But for the sake of being in the car, and actually glue dots actually hold pretty well, so I'm going to open this guy up like this, and I'm going to grab a glue dot, oops, and stick one. I'm going to stick a couple of them on there because I want it to hold. Get them open. I'm really hoping I can get this to work on Facebook Live since I have to do this every week. I think it would be fun to pop on and hang out with you guys. Oh, and I totally just put those on the wrong side, you guys. You're probably all screaming at me too, going, what are you doing? Hang on a second. That was just silly. Now we can do it the right way. And so like all these moms in their cars, you know, because a lot of them sit in their cars because the little ones are napping while their older ones are at therapy. They're probably think I'm a little bit wackadoodle right now as I'm sitting here talking to myself. At least that's what they think. So I'm gonna grab one more and stick them on there. So my thinking is that, so I brought that up and closed it, is that after I do this a couple times, I will get used to where I can place things in my car to make it so that it's easier for me to get to everything. You know, because you're used to sitting at a desk and being able to just reach over and grab. It's a little bit different in here. So we're going to put one little glue dot there, and then we're just going to fold this guy over. And again, I think I'm going to put like 2 or 3 on there because I want it to stay. You could also use your tear tape, or if you have fast fuse still, then you could use that. So there you go, there we've got that started. So let me stick my little guy over here so I don't stab myself. Glue dots up on the dash. Get rid of my trash, at least some of it. All right, I'm gonna set him aside for just a second because I need to grab my paper trimmer. And with my paper trimmer, we're going to score, he's in my bag, sorry. We're gonna score this guy so that it has nice edges. I'm gonna set him aside, I'm gonna try not to lose him. So on your paper trimmer, this guy is the cutting blade, so we're gonna push him out of the way, and this is your scoring blade. And I know that sun is kind of crazy. Of course it's gonna pop up now that I'm out here working. So we are gonna score it 1 1/4. So 1. Your simply scored board would work really well for this too, but I just didn't want to bring more than I had to. And then we're gonna do it also at 2. And then we're gonna do it at 4 3/8, which is 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do it at 5 1/8. There. Now I can move him out of the way. See what kind of a mess we're making here. I really need to stick something. Oh, this piece of paper, maybe that'll help a little bit. So I'm gonna fold these little lines that I just did, and then my box. Bring him back up. You do not want to tape, adhere this belly band to the box because you want them to be able to pull this guy out. So I recommend some white tear tape, and we're going to put that white tear tape. I've wrapped this around. Let's see, we're going to go, I think we're going to go that. Oh, we're going to go that way. So on the short end, we are going to stick some tear tape right here on the end. And again, just make sure I've got it over enough, and I do. I'll just give that like that. Grab my paper piercer to pull that off. Stick that in my trash can in the back seat. Okay. There we go. We're just going to line that up, not too tight. But now you have a cute little belly band. This still opens, and you're good to go. Put that tape away. Now we're going to grab some ribbon. What did I do with my, I lost my sample of what I was making. Did I drop him? There he is. I should probably have him where I can see him, right? So we're going to take this ribbon, which is from that same suite at the very beginning of the catalog, and it's in a 2-pack, so I don't even know the name of it. We're just gonna wrap it around. I don't even measure ribbon when I'm working on a project like this, and the first time around at least, because I know I can leave it attached to my spool and go ahead and do it this way, so I don't waste as much. It's jumping around on me. It's like sitting on a hill. I think I will definitely try sitting in the passenger seat. And then I will have more room. The steering wheel won't be in my way. Let's see, there we go. Look at that. Super cute. Okay, and these are our old craft and rubbers or craft scissors. They're my ribbon scissors. They're only for ribbon. Every once in a while, you might catch me using other paper, but I try not to. So there we go. So we've got that there. I'm gonna set him aside for now. So stick my arm in your way. Sorry about that. Let me grab, I need some lovely lipstick ink, which is right here. And I'm going to need a block. And I just brought a small one because we're just doing that little scent with love, which is part of Itty Bitty Greetings, which is a wonderful set. Wonderful set. So I'm gonna grab that. He's gonna stick on here. We need a piece of white. So I have all my little scraps and stuff all in here, so I would know what I was doing. So here we go. So we're gonna stamp with love, scent with love. Perfect. Oh. I'm gonna move that guy out of the way, and we're going to punch that out with our white 1 1/4 circle punch. Oop. There's that. And then we're going to take 1 3/8. I think that's what it says. And we're going to punch out with lovely lipstick. Look at how cute that's going to be. So I'm going to grab, I also brought a Simply Chamois. I cut one in half and I stick it inside of one of the half cases and just clean that guy up really good. So I want to put him away because do you know how hard it's going to be if I lose a stamp in my car? Because, okay, I'm not the neatest car person anyway, so we got to try to keep everything together. I need my snail. Uh-oh, somebody's crying. It's not mine though. Stick that on there like that. Pieces back in my bag in hopes of not losing them. That is my plan anyway. We're gonna grab Dimensional. And so my scent with love, I'm gonna put one at the top and one at the bottom because it's gonna straddle that ribbon. That way it doesn't get in the way. I'm sticking my arm in your way, sorry. It was up on, it fell over on the dash. And so now I'm just going to set this on here. How cute is that? Then I had some of that lovely lipstick foil paper. Oh, it's in my bag, sorry. Where did it go? Well, you might just have to do it with lovely lipstick if I didn't bring it. I might have left it on my desk. I was packing everything and trying to be so good. Oh, wait, there it is. And I did. So I wanted to do a heart, and look at the cute little dog that goes with Happy Tails. It has this cute little heart. So punch out a heart, put that away like that. Oops, where did he go? There it is. And I also think I brought some little minis. Little mini Dimensional on there. And then, oh look, I have a little smudge, so we're gonna cover it up just like that. Cute, so cute. And I think if I don't have rhinestones, I know you guys know, you know what I was going for with some rhinestones there. I think I lost them. I might have left them at home. I say that and then I'll find them, you know, when I stop the video. No, don't see them. I think they must have, oh wait, maybe? Nope. Got a whole package of them. But it looks like I left them at home. So on the original, I just stuck a little rhinestone because for a little extra bling. And then, like I said, that holds 2 Ghirardelli, which is totally adorable, like on this one. Super cute. So there you go. So that is Cards in the Car with Lisa Marie. This will get easier, I know, as we go, but I'm just going to keep trying because I know I can do this and I can get some time in with you guys and show you some fun stuff. I have another card I'm going to try on another video because I wanted to leave them separate just in case it doesn't go well. I'll show it to you. It's really stinking cute though. I'll show you because it's a really cool technique and it's reverse stamping. Let's see. Oh, look. How cute are those dogs? OMG. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. So anyway, and look at her little collar has rhinestones. Okay guys, so we're gonna give that a try on the next time, and I might even get to it today because I still have lots of time. Gosh, I have a whole hour still. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, check me out. I'm let's see, on Facebook it's Stamp with Lisa Marie. For my online store, it is lisamariesmith.stampinup.net. And also stampwithlisamarie.com. You can see me over there. There's all my information is there. So I'd love to hang out with you too. We'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye-bye.